Alright, so what we're going to do is look at our relationship diagram, which is in a Word document format. Okay. I've got it in a Word document and I've got the tables there. And we know we got that from Database Tools Relationships, and then we screenshotted that. And then we screenshotted the design view of our tables, but I can't do it now because my resolution is too large. Then we open our program and we have to get moving. The reason why I want to have my relationship diagram, because I want to keep track of my tables. I've got message and this one. In my case, I've got those two tables. You keep track of your tables all the time. Now, we left off with putting a database grid on one tab sheet, and then we had to link it using our data source property there. And we can only do that if we had our data module file name and in the users section of our main program. I've called mine message DM. Where does message DM come? If I go file and open, then you can see the .pas file there. That is your data module file. So you'll have two tabs, your main program, which is this unit 1, and then this message, which we created and we connected and everything, and we know it's working fine. If you see your headings of your tables there, then you know that your connection is fine. Otherwise, you'll have to go back and watch the videos and redo your connection. Now we're going to go to TVS edit message. And then we click the next tab sheet. And we're going to go to our data access here in the tool palette. Click on DB grid and draw one there. And I know this is DB grid 2, but I'm not going to worry about changing the names, and you'll see why just now. Click on DB grid 2, and then I'm going to choose the same table as adding a message. I'm going to use the data source property of DB grid 2. I'm going to choose the one for the message TBL component for that one table, the TBL component. So far, we're only working with the TBL components. Then we're going to do the same with delete message. I'm going to click on TDB grid, and then I'm going to draw a grid over here, and then I'm going to the data source property, and it's still the same table. Remember, we add, edit, and delete on one table, and then add, edit, and delete on another table. So I'm going to go to the data source property again. I'm going to choose the DSR TBL and the correct table name. So that's those three.